In today's digital age, sending money globally has never been easier, thanks to Xoom money transfer under your PayPal account. Xoom, a PayPal service, lets users send money, pay bills, and reload phones instantly to over 160 countries. What makes it stand out is its seamless integration with your PayPal account, allowing for fast, secure, and hassle-free transfers with just a few clicks. To get started, visit www.xoom.com or open the PayPal app and look for the Send Money Abroad or Xoom section. If you're already a PayPal user, you don't need a separate Xoom login. Just sign in using your PayPal credentials and Xoom will automatically link your account. New users can register in minutes by entering basic details, confirming identity via OTP or KYC if required, and setting up preferred funding sources like debit card, bank, or PayPal balance. Once your Xoom account is active under your PayPal profile, choose your destination country, enter the amount, and pick the delivery method: cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet. Xoom guarantees fast delivery, often within minutes, depending on the country. Now, here's something unique that, honestly, a lot of people miss. If you refer friends to Xoom, both of you can earn rewards, which can actually turn into free PayPal money instantly, depending on the current promotional campaigns. This feature isn't really well advertised and is kind of hidden in the rewards section of your PayPal or Xoom dashboard. You can keep track of these bonuses in your PayPal activity tab. Additionally, Xoom users can take advantage of exclusive PayPal offers, like, waived transfer fees on your first transactions, or even cashback on international remittances, which can be directly credited to your PayPal balance. For more such offers, it's a good idea to regularly visit www.paypal.com/deals and also check out Xoom's promotions page. Xoom's major advantage really lies in speed, security, and simplicity. With its solid backing from PayPal, your transactions are protected by encryption and fraud monitoring tools. Always make sure to verify recipient details before confirming transfers, and if you want things to be even quicker next time, save your frequently used contacts for future payments. End your cash worries with Xoom money transfer under your PayPal account. It's fast, trusted, and honestly just smarter.